Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Wild animals, zoo animals and safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready toddlers? Do you want to learn the animal names? The first one is a turtle. This is a turtle. This is a bug. This is a lioness. L is for lioness. This is a tiger. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is a rhino. This is a dog. This is a panda. This is a peacock. This is a deer. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla.